we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for Microsoft Edge app, or just click on search. Then here add Edge app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here. Then here you search for Microsoft Edge app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.